I was sewing some strips together, and jelly roll strips, and I made up a band of strips like that. And I thought, what can I do to enliven it? And it occurred to me, you could take circles cut out and bonded on to the fabric to give it something slightly different. And all I had to do then was to turn my circle through 90 degrees, and instantly I changed the pattern. This is nothing more complex than 4 sets of the squares that I showed you, with the circle cut out the middle and turned. When I joined the 4 sets together, I did exactly the same thing in the middle, cut a hole out and turned it. I made some panels up of half square triangles, and I thought to myself, if I cut a heart out, I can literally take the heart out of this one, and here's my little heart, and I can move it to the next set of half square triangles.